How to use the quick tap feature or the double tap on your Google Pixel phone to perform quick actions. Right now I have the double tap feature on my phone, so if I double tap at the back, it will open the YouTube application. So you can set it to do different actions, different or open different apps. So you can set it however you like. So to get started, first go to the settings. Then in the settings, search for quick tap. Now click on use quick tap. So make sure to turn it on first. Basically what it does is when you double tap your phone from the back, it will perform the action that you set it to do. So you can set to take a screenshot if you double tap, or access your Google Assistant, or play a media, or pause the video or play a video, or show notifications, or turn on the flashlights, or open a specific application. So here I'm gonna exit and then double tap at the back. Now it opens my YouTube application. I can change that to take a screenshot. Now if I exit here and then I double tap, it will take a screenshot. There's a lot of different options that I can choose from, but I have set it to open YouTube. So whenever I just double tap my phone at the back, it will open YouTube for me. That's it for the video. I just wanted to show you this nice feature, and hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.